Hi students, in this session we are going to see about linear block coding in Communication System Laboratory. Before going into the program, let us see what is meant by linear block coding. Let us consider a signal. The main problem in the signal is noise or error which disturbs the reliability of the communication system. In order to control the error, we are going for error control coding. Error control coding is nothing but it is the coding procedure done to control the occurrence of the error. This technique helps not only in error detection, it also helps in correcting the error also. Linear block code and convolution code are different types of error correcting techniques which is depending upon the principles applied to them. Linear block codes. The encoder in the linear block code will generate a block of encoded bits from k information bits and we call this as block code. These coded bits are also called as code word symbols. In linear block codes, why it is called as linear? Because a code is linear if the modulo 2 of sum of two code word is also a code word, that is the sum of two code words which should be also a code word. A block code is said to be useful when there is one-to-one mapping between message M and its code word. Here we will be calculating the minimum distance of the block code. For calculating the minimum distance, we will be going for Hamming distance and Hamming weight. Hamming weight, which is nothing but number of non-zero components of the code word. Hamming distance is nothing but number of places where they differ. In order to calculate the minimum Hamming distance, it is defined as the smallest distance between any pair of the code vectors in the code. The Hamming distance between two code vectors is equal to the Hamming weight of the third code vector. It is mainly used or its main application is in satellite and deep space communication, digital audio and video transmission, and in the storage it is used in RAM. So now we are going to see the program. So the first step is we are going to open the MATLAB software, and first we are clearing all the previous data present in the MATLAB. So for that we are giving clear all and close all. So in linear block coding, the data should be given in the form of the matrix, that is in the form of the generated matrix. So we will be giving input in the matrix form. So I am using the syntax as input of enter the generated matrix. And we have to display the input value in the screen. For that I am using the syntax in disp. Disp is nothing but displaying. So in order to calculate the size of the matrix, we are calculating the order and the size. For that I am considering n and k, which is the row and column of the generated matrix, and we are going to calculate the size of the matrix given. And we have to find number of possible code words. For that I am using the formula C is equal to REM into U star G comma 2. So from this we can calculate how many possible code words can be generated from the given generated matrix, and we are going to display the Hamming distance which I have already told you. Then after finding the Hamming distance of the block code, we are going to give the received code word. That is, we have to give received code word as an input. So here we are going to find the transpose of the matrix. So why we are going to calculate the transpose of the matrix is that we have to find the syndrome check in the matrix. Syndrome check is nothing but the error which is present in the code. We have to calculate the error in the code. For that we are going for syndrome check. So syndrome check can be calculated from mu into H transpose. So for that we are calculating the transpose of the matrix. So here we have to calculate the syndrome, which is nothing but where the error is present in the given code, and at last we will display the error in the bit and corrected code word will be displayed in the screen. So I have typed the program. Now I am giving run option in the MATLAB. So after I give run, we have to give the input, that is input should be given in the form of the matrix. So matrix will be in the form of square bracket. So I am giving input as 1 0 0 0 and the next matrix is 0 0 0 1 and the next is 0 1 0 0 and the next is 0 0 1 0. We can also give input in any number of matrix also. Here I am considering 2 cross 2 matrix. So I am giving enter. From this we can see order of the linear block, that is n. N will be equal to 4 and we can see k, which is also 4, and the number of possible code words, that is for the given matrix. These are the possible number of code words that can be generated. So from that I have already told we have to calculate the Hamming distance. So minimum Hamming distance will be 1, which is obtained using the formula. Now I am giving the code word. So code word can be anything. For example, I am giving 1 0 0 and 1 and I am giving enter again. So we have calculated the error. The error is present in bit 4 and it is calculated, it is corrected, and the corrected code word will be 1000. This is linear block coding. Thank you.